Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Shopify navigation. Clear and intuitive navigation is crucial for your online store, guiding customers effortlessly to what they need. We will go through the simple steps to access your navigation settings, create new menus, and add specific items. By the end, you will have a well-organized store that enhances the shopping experience for every visitor, making it easy for them to find products and information. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, find and click on Online Store, then select Navigation. Here, you will see existing menus like your main menu and footer menu. To create a new one, simply click the Add Menu button. Give your new menu a descriptive title, perhaps Quick Links or Collections, to easily identify its purpose later on. Once you have created a menu, it is time to add items to it. Click on the menu you wish to edit, then select Add Menu Item. You will need to give your item a name, such as About Us or Contact. Next, link this item to a specific page, product, collection, or blog post within your store. You can easily reorder items by dragging and dropping them into your preferred sequence. To create a drop-down menu, simply drag a menu item slightly to the right, placing it beneath a parent item. This creates a nested structure, allowing for organized subcategories. Always review your entire navigation to ensure it is intuitive and user-friendly. After making all your adjustments, remember to click the Save Menu button. Your updated navigation will be live on your store immediately, ready for your customers to explore.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.